Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to access GitHub Pro. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So first of all, we can see that we have in the top left corner, home, issues, pull or requests, and all of those things. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, we have your profile and we have a lot of things about that. So you can see here, you can see the settings and everything here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and access the GitHub Pro. So first of all, sign into GitHub. If you don't have access, you'll need to create one, of course, as I told you. Click on the top right corner of your screen where you have your profile picture. There you need to go and select settings, which is down here. And here in the settings, you need to go and click on billing and plans. Click on plan usage. And you need to go to, and here you can go and upgrade to GitHub Pro. So you can click upgrade. And here you will have, of course, as you can see, upgrade to Pro for $4 US. You just need to go click on there. And your GitHub will immediately, when you pay, of course, be updated to the GitHub Pro. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.